Hey, what's up? Just doing the final walkthrough of my Jeep. It is finally done. So start off under the hood. We got a D3400 with 2 runs of hot gauge to the back, DC powered alternator, 370 XP. In the doors we have 2 8-inch Sundown Neo Pro V2s and 6.5 Sundown components, the V1s. We're running 2 Obsidian audio tweeters, and these are per door. For the deck we have the Kenwood X998. I don't think I've switched out since last time. I got a Sundown 125.4 to replace the Rockford T400.4. I am running it at 1 ohm on the Neo Pro 8s. That really came to life after that with the extra power, so pretty happy with that swap. Got the Sundown 100.4, and we're running 2 3500s at 1 ohm on the custom ZV4s. They have the NSV2 coil, and they have the triple leads. I believe it's the NSV3 spiders. I just put in 2 D3100s the other week, and to go along with that we have 2 XP3000s as well as 3 Juicebox black Cherries. See them underneath. 3500. Box is 4 cubic feet, tuned to 32 hertz, and gets down. Couldn't be happier. Box is made by Box guy. Now I'll give you a demo.